Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on a low-end PC. First, open your in-game video settings. Set all quality options, like material, detail, and UI quality, to their lowest possible values. Turn off visual effects such as bloom, distortion, and shadows. Reducing your resolution to something like 1280 by 720 pixels can also significantly boost your frame rate. These adjustments are crucial for a smoother experience. Next, let's optimize your system. Before starting Valorant, close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer. Programs like web browsers or streaming services consume valuable resources. Always ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their latest stable version. This can provide significant performance improvements. Additionally, check your operating system's power settings to ensure it's set to high performance for maximum power delivery to your components. Even with optimized settings, gameplay might feel different. Focus on strategic positioning and map awareness rather than aggressive, fast-paced plays that demand high frame rates. A stable internet connection is also vital to minimize lag, which can feel similar to low FPS. Try to avoid areas with many visual effects or crowded engagements if your frame rate drops significantly. Adapting your playstyle can make a big difference. Finally, consider your hardware and maintenance. If possible, upgrading your RAM to 8 GB or more can provide a noticeable boost. Regularly clean your PC's internal components to prevent dust buildup, which can lead to overheating and performance throttling. Ensure your cooling system is working efficiently. These steps will help maintain consistent performance over time. Also, for some great deals, and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.